Welcome to Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. In this lesson, we are going to explore the basics of video editing and walk through the Premiere Pro interface, your creative playground for transforming raw footage into stunning videos. What is video editing? Video editing is the art of arranging video, audio, and graphics to tell a story, whether it is a commercial video, a movie, event, or documentary. Every great video starts with editing. Editing simply means telling a story with visuals and sound. Let's launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you launch Adobe Premiere Pro, you will see the home screen where you can start a new project or open existing one. As you can see on my screen here, we have the existing work here, existing project, but we are going to create a new project. So we're going to click on new project. Always name your project and choose a location for your project. Arrangement is the key. Organization is the key. When you are creating location for your project, you must know where you are saving to, so that when you need that document, that file, that project, it will be easy for you to locate it. So we are going to be saving this on desktop, and we are going to name our projects. We are going to name it lesson 1. Lesson 1. And we are going to click on create. Okay, now our Adobe Premiere Pro interface has opened up. So let me break down the workspace forward. On the bottom left here, this is the project panel. This is the project panel. Above it is the source monitor. When you click a footage here, this is where you preview it. This is where you preview your project before working with it. And this that you are seeing, drag a media here to create a sequence. This is where we are going to have our timeline. Before we have what is called timeline, we have to create a sequence. We are still coming to that. And here is our project monitor. This is where the final result, the final outcome shows up. This is where the final outcome shows up. Creating and setting up a new sequence. We can right click here and we go to new item, we click on new sequence, and here we can give our sequence name. Let's say lesson edits. You can see the frame I'm choosing is full HD, that's 1080, that's a full HD. So we're going to click on OK, and here you can see the timeline have changed. We now have something like lines here. So I'm still going to explain everything that is on this timeline. You can see here, this is timing, this is timing. This is the reason why they call this timeline. Here is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, just like that. To begin with editing, let's import some clips. So we go to file manager, or right here we can right click here and say import. When we go to import, we locate where our file is. I'm going to be working with this. Now this is where the real work is. Before you import a footage, you must learn how to organize your work. So I'm going to cancel this, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this folder icon, create bin. I'm going to create this. I'm going to call this one cam1. Now I'm going to create another one. I will name it cam2, because the video I'm going to be using for tutorial in this video is a movie clip that was shot with 2 cameras and audio. two cameras and audio. And again, we are going to create another one. We're going to call this one audio. So with these three folder, our work will be organized. Everything is going to be organized. So I'm going to click on this inside this folder called cam1. Then I'm going to right click and click on import. Then I'm going to go to my hard disk where I have my storage. I'm going to click it. I'm going to click on card1. Then select all the videos there and click on open. You can see on the timeline everything is imported into the project file. So all the video is here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to cam2, do the same thing, import. I'm going to go back, click on cam2, and I'm going to right click Control A to select all and click open. And everything, you can see everything is here. All the footage, all the clips are here. So we're going to go back, and we're going to click on audio, right click and click on import, and we are going to import our audio. We are going to import our audio. If we have the audios in different folders, so we are going to be doing that one after the other. We are going to be doing that one after the other. The purpose of organizing your files this way is for you to know where you are picking your files from. To make editing very easy. If you need a clip, you know where to go to, or if you miss a clip, you know how to find it. But if you don't organize your clips, everything, if you import everything together in one folder, is not going to look well. It's not going to look well. So I will advise you to always organize your work. Always organize your work. Now we have all our footage ready to go here. We have everything ready to go here. We have our audio intact, we have our cam1, cam2, and everything is ready to go. So now I'm going to talk about how to save your project. How to save your project. I used to recommend you to save your project in two different project files. In two different project files. The reason for this is that sometimes your system might go off, or sometimes virus might attack your project file. If you have two different project files, you will still be saved. You will still be saved, or you will still be saved. Although Adobe Premiere Pro has something they call autosave, autosave is also there to back you up. But nevertheless, you need to play on the saver side. You need to play on the saver side. That's why I do advise people to try as much as possible to save their project file in two different ways. So right now, you can use the shortcut if you want to save and click on Ctrl S, and you can see what you are seeing on the screen. Save project. And if you want to save as, you can click Ctrl Shift S. Save as. You can see. Tell me to give it a unique name. And what you are going to do is going to put 1B and let me save it. You can do this if you come to file, you can save, you can see here, you save, and you can do the save as here as well. So that is how you can save your projects. So you have just completed the lesson 1. You now understand what video editing is, how to set up a project, how to navigate the Premiere Pro interface. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper into importing, organizing, and managing your media like a pro.